Hi, my name is Elisa and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Sugar Detox Formula before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Sugar Detox Formula is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Sugar Detox Formula from, because Sugar Detox Formula is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Sugar Detox Formula, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Sugar Detox Formula works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that can help you to increase your energy. Sugar Detox Formula is one of the only products in the world with a proprietary blend of nutrients and plants of the highest quality that research has shown to support the body's natural detoxification process, especially when it comes to sugar. This is proved true in both men and women. Patients using Sugar Detox Formula report improved cognition and focus, improved energy and well-being, mood stability and calmer mind. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Sugar Detox Formula, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Sugar Detox Formula for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for the Sugar Detox Formula to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. Everyone is a little different. For researched benefits, they indicate 1 capsule 3 times a day. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Sugar Detox Formula from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Sugar Detox Formula actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.